How to make a photo collage on your iPhone. So if you want to go and create a collage of photos or a grid of photos, I'm going to show you how we can do this directly on our iPhone. Now the first step is you just need to use the search box to go and search for the word shortcuts, and you need to open up this application here. Now this application comes built into all iPhones, so you should have this on your device. Now once you're on the app, click on Gallery in the bottom right hand side. Now click on this search box and go and type in the word photo and press search. You then need to click on the plus icon next to photo grid, which is the second one in this list. You can then click on shortcuts in the bottom left hand side. You can then go and select photo grid. Now this will load up the gallery on your phone, and from here we can just go and select the images that we want in our collage or grid. Once you've selected your photos, press add in the top right hand side, and it's now going to convert these into a photo collage. Now once your collage has been created, we can press the share icon in the bottom left hand side. You can then scroll down to the bottom and press save image. Now this will go and save back over to your camera gallery, so you can close out of this app and open up photos. And as you can see in the bottom right hand side, we can now see our photo collage. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.